everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your Apple ID using apple.com. If you're trying to get rid of your Apple ID or delete your Apple account, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice and then in the web address bar type in www.apple.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to this official web page. Make sure that you're logged into your Apple account. Once you are in this page, click on the privacy button from the left hand side menu. Right next to your data, click on manage your data and this will open up your data and privacy page, and you'll need to type in your password for your Apple account in order to confirm that it is you who's making the change. After you are done, click the arrow and you'll also need to go ahead and verify with a two-factor authentication code sent to you via SMS. Go ahead and type it in the text box and this will open up your manage your data page. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see delete your account button. Click on request to delete your account. Go through the information since it tells you what happens after you delete your account. Before deleting your account, make sure to make a local backup of your data. Click on this link and go through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to make a backup for yourself. And if you are sure you'd like to delete your account permanently, select one of the reasons why you are trying to do so and click continue. You'll lose access to App Store and media purchases, and any ongoing subscriptions will be cancelled once you delete your account. So if you want to continue, click continue, and on the next page, click on this little box that says I have read and agree with these conditions and click continue. In case you need to be sent an important message about your account, make sure to choose one of the contact methods from where you can be reachable and then click the continue button again. Make sure to keep this access code for your record. You can print it, download it, or simply write it down. If you ever need to contact Apple support about your deletion request, you can provide this code to do so. After you do that, click the continue button and enter the access code in the text box that you just backed up. After you type in the access code, click continue and then click on delete account. Wait for a few seconds and on the next page it says that the process of deletion might take up to 7 days. Your account will be remained active while verification is in progress. You can now sign out by clicking on the sign out button and get back to the main home page like this. And that is how you'll be able to delete your Apple ID using apple.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.